Yes, once again, Empire Finance, Empire Crypto TV. Big things are happening in the world of crypto. Bitcoin, could it be returning into its highest level? Remember, Bitcoin was at its highest 73K per coin. And it also has broken my resistance level right there. Okay, this is a powerful message to me, a powerful signal that I did not anticipate, because the entire weekend Bitcoin was quite lacking volatility right here, as you can see on my chart. This is Bitcoin now, which is trading at 71K this morning. It was at its highest at 71K this morning. And here on the weekend, it was quiet, very, very quiet. And all of a sudden, come Monday, and then it started pushing up during the week. And now we're on Wednesday. And I'm wondering, like, if are we going back to those levels where Bitcoin was pushing just bullish, bullish, bullish all the time? It's the first week of June. And I don't know, we might be seeing some major changes in terms of crypto. Could it be the beginning of the bull run for crypto as its entirety? And also the coin that has been making major waves, BNB. Let me just look for it here. I just want to show you the chart, how powerful that BNB has been pushing. I think I do have the chart of BNB here on my, okay, where is it? Okay, I have ADA, I need to see, okay, there's my BNB. Look at that. Look at the movement that BNB has incurred. Look at these are overbought conditions, as you can see on the indicator RSI. And a lot of people like me here who have entered on a sell position, where we were saying that we are bearish. We think that BNB was finally going to come down. It did not come down. In fact, it just went sideways just a little bit for a while, and then it continued on a boom uptrend, as you can see right here. Sometimes these indicators may give you the indication that, okay, maybe the market is ready to come down, but not really, because it can always go up again. As you can see, once again, it's looking to go up again. This was a very, very powerful trend, and it looks like it's going to go sideways trend. Okay, Mara, there are a number of reasons that why Bitcoin is, or crypto is going so high. I also have an article here that I'm going to read, news, and it also pertains the weakness of the dollar, DXY. Let's look at DXY, which is a dollar index, which pretty much looks fine according to my indicator right here, but it has fallen so low. And this explains the strength of other assets, S&P 500 and all of them, and including cryptocurrency mainly, because that's what I focus on most of the time on the shows, and also on trading as well. But looking at this market and looking at it right now, and it's going back to $71,000 currently, and it has broken my support or my resistance level, to say here, this is my resistance level. And boom, right there, you can see it's still going up. And also here on my indicator, on my RSI, looks overbought even twice. This is a significant sign. It could be a sign that Bitcoin could start be going up on an upper trend, even going beyond 73K where it ended off last, and then it came back. Because Bitcoin for a long time, it has been going sideways trend on these ranges between $69,000 mainly, and going maybe sometimes 70K, but coming back to 69,000 at its highest, and then coming back again to 67K per coin at times, and then it comes back up for a very, very long time, since I can say as far back as the 28th May last month. But it has been ranging in between these ranges, but now it has broken my resistance level. This could be a strong sign that we could be seeing a new bull run for Bitcoin. So beware as an investor of what's happening out there in the market. I'm just merely explaining to the viewers and trying to analyze this situation that is happening on the crypto market itself. Also on the coin market cap, things look delighted, things look positive. We're at, I think, 2.60 something trillion daily. Okay, there is it. Yes, $2.63 trillion daily, and it has went up by 2.70%. So this can send signals and waves to investors and traders to start coming in and buying into Bitcoin. But at the same time, there are also major economic news that are coming out that are affecting the economy back in the United States. And there's an article that I want to share with you that has major implications on what's really happening out there in terms of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin news today returned to 70k, as you saw there, linked to spot ETFs, okay, and US labor market. So spot ETFs, big deal, which can make Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to go very, very high at times at a given time. But these are the just news that just came out yesterday, I think. No, today, sorry. It came out today about 3 hours ago. Bitcoin BTC rallied 3.34% on Tuesday, June 4, ending the session at 70,449. Okay, rising bets on a September Fed rate cut and demand for US BTC spot ETFs drove buyer demand for BTC. So this one here, I think, is the one that also being the main cause for Bitcoin to be going so high. And also on Wednesday, June 5, US labor market and services sector data will likely influence buyer appetite for US BTC spot ETFs and BTC. So those are the major drivers. Even this bull market could have a continuation. US labor market data, Fed rate cut bets, and the US BTC spot ETFs market on Tuesday. For Bitcoin gained 2.34% after rising by 1.55%. That's a lot on Monday. And June 3rd, and BTC ended the session like at 70k 44. And another news that came out, it was the US JOLTS job opening report fueled investor expectations of a September Fed rate cut. So Fed rate cut meaning that the dollar would be going weak, and Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies or assets that are paired against the dollar could be seeing a bull market, as we see with the Bitcoin currently. According to the JOLTS job opening report, job openings declined from 8,355 million to 859 million in April. So this represents the slowing down of the economy in the United States. I think they say that the economy is moving quite slow, or the economy is moving, the growth of the economy is very slow in the United States currently as we're speaking, which affects the dollar. The probability of the Fed leaving the interest rates unchanged in September declined from 40.5% to 35.9% as the markets reached to the weaker than expected labor market data. Furthermore, the crypto markets reacted to the shift in sentiment toward the Fed interest rate trajectory. The US BTC spot ETF market is on target to extend its net inflow streak to 16 sessions. Moreover, the US BTC spot ETF market could see net inflows surge to the highest level since March 13. Remember, ETFs, a very powerful element that keeps this market flowing, especially when it was first introduced a few months ago. We saw that Bitcoin rose from 50k to its 70k as we see it now. And Grayscale Bitcoin Trust saw net inflows of $28 million on Tuesday, June. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund had net inflows of 378.7 million, the highest since March 7. These are big news, guys. And ARC27 shares Bitcoin ETF reported net inflows of 138 million, with Bitwise Bitcoin ETF BitB seeing net inflows of 61 million. So these are the news that are impacting the market, technically speaking and fundamentally speaking. Also the chart showing it. Also coins also like Ethereum has also seen a major surge on the market. And going back to the chart, you can see that it's starting to really rallying again, going back to that 71,000 mark. Let us look again on a BNB the way we have done before, and look at that, and it still continues going up. So this is a major pull up for cryptocurrencies. Could we be seeing the next bull market for BTC going up and beyond, as people have always expected? Remember, Bitcoin had a time where it went down and down up to $59,000 per coin. There was a time when Bitcoin was going down, and investors thought that, you know what, maybe this is the bear market, that Bitcoin, and there was a time when people were sort of like losing hope, including me, and it went to 57,000, but now it's back to its 70k. Let's see what happens next in terms of BTC. Please be sure to subscribe. Please do click that like button, it helps our channel. And thank you for everyone who has subscribed to our channel and has been watching our shows. Until next time, let's see what happens on the BTC market. Thank you.